Hurry up.
What are we
got a
gonna
whole lot
call
of
this,
battery.
man?
Huh?
What do we call this? Redneck tree pruning?
Uh-huh.
All right.
But you see how it goes past the little, where it kind of bends right there? There's like there's two little knots on each side.
Going up on the top.
Huh? That's too far away.
Nah, that's good.
No, let all that weight bring it down. The lower you hit it, the more weight you have up top to bring it down.
I know. Wasting more shells right here. Already got two in there. Ready?
Yeah, if you hit it, that is.
One more. All right. That's not coming down on our truck now.
No. Still recording.
Oh yeah?
Yeah. Let's try to.
That's Rick, the cameraman. I don't know what he's
Just
shooting.
bird shot.
Huh?
Just bird shot.
Oh. All right.
That's where I wanted
There
you
you
to
go.
shoot.
Let's see if we can get one more in there. Let's see where you were shooting at now. Hold on, one more should bring it down, huh?
That right there's the old Mossberg SA-20 of death. He's using your standard Remington 1100.
Just standard though.
The standard of standardness of standard semi-automatic shotguns.
Right, set the standards.
More tree pruning. That was nice. That was, yeah. Oh, I got it, dude. We have to watch that.
That's
All right.
funny right there.
Hit the movie button. Stop.